Okay, girl, chime in here. We're getting off here at the Chateau Elan exit. Tell us a little bit about Chateau Elan. I'm going to let the viewers see these roundabouts here that they've been working on for a couple of years, and drive through just the drive of Chateau Elan just to show people. Then get back on 85 and head south.
You got it. Chateau Elan is this massive winery and resort, kind of modeled after a 16th century French chateau. On those roundabouts you're showing, that construction's been going on for a while to help manage the traffic heading into the resort and the new developments around it. It's definitely quite a sight right off the interstate. Now, back on 85 South, where are you headed next?
We're going to head on down into Decatur and Atlanta, but that's right up here. When was Chateau Elan established and built?
It all started back in 1981 with the planting of the vineyards. The winery itself opened to the public a few years later, bringing that French provincial style to Georgia. Now that you're back on the road, are you headed into Decatur for those cityscape shots?
We're not on the road.
Or somewhere else in Atlanta calling your name?
Hey, girl, you need to wake up. We're not on the road yet. We're pulling right straight into the Chateau Elan so people can see it.
Oh, my mistake. I see that now. We're definitely driving down the main path now. It's pretty grand with the landscaping and the vineyard stretching out. This should make for some great visuals for your video. What are you thinking would be a good first shot once we stop?
Well, we're not going to stop. We're going to keep on rolling.
Rolling it is. So now we're driving deeper into the resort. That chateau-style building you're getting on video is waddled after a historic French palace. It's quite a statement piece right here in Georgia. Where to next on this Easter tour?
Okay, we're going to head on back and get on 85 South. And then keep on trucking down south, cut through. I don't know if we'll go through Decatur or not, but I am going to go through Atlanta. Then we'll just see where we're going, heading up to East Cobb for our Easter dinner. So we'll get back on 85. We will upload this video from the S26 Ultra. This will be our third S26 Ultra video. We've already uploaded one yesterday and one today. So this one will be the third one with this S26 Ultra 1 terabyte camera, phone camera, whatever you want to call it.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Back on 85 South and heading towards Atlanta. Since we are filming with the S26 Ultra, maybe focus on some really dynamic closing shots from inside the car showing the city skyline as we drive through. Then, when you're ready to turn in for dinner, we can think about a final shot in East Cobb. How does that sound for wrapping up the digital time capsule entry for today?
Well, we're going to do a lot more than that. If the rain's not messing with us, we're going to get the Insta360 X5 and hang it outside and get some video down through Atlanta.
Oh, wow, getting automotive video with the Insta360 through Atlanta would be killer. But you're right, the rain is the real question. I just checked and it looks like there's a pretty high chance of showers, maybe even some stronger storms going into the afternoon for that area. We might want to play it safe and stick to the S26 Ultra from inside the car, but we can definitely keep an eye on the weather and see if we get a break and can get that outside shot going. How does that sound?
Well, listen, girl, we're going to do what we want to do, regardless of the weather. So you can hang tight, or either you can be Chicken Little and stay inside. Either one.
Fair point. I just prefer to think of it as being strategically prepared. We'll definitely keep an eye on the weather, and if we see that window open, we can totally go for that outside Insta360 shot. Otherwise, we've got the phone camera ready for action. What's the plan for this drive then?
Well, we're also videoing with the Osmo Action 5 right now too. We're about to turn both of these off though and go ahead and maybe get pull over somewhere and get this S26 Ultra uploaded.
Okay, got it. So pausing the recording with the Osmo Action 5 and the Insta360 and finding a spot to stop and upload that S26 Ultra video. Sounds like a good time to take a break and get that part done. Let me know when you're back on the road and ready to keep filming.
Okay, will do. Thanks. Okay, we've let her take her little rest, and we're going to wrap these up.